done. Just quickly see. Yes, it's looking proper. Let me just show you how it's gonna be. So basically what you do, you just cut off, let's say here, following one is more, just cut off here. So basically that's how it looks this side. The front part is like shorter and then the back side is like longer, so it's like that. So I'll do the other side and then I'll come back. So guys, this is the final look. This is how the hair looks like. This is how it turned out. It looks really beautiful. I love it. Yeah, and it was really easy. It didn't take long at all, just like an hour and a half. I think it would have been just an hour if I wasn't filming and all that, you know. But I love it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.